Moving on, in the society, there exist caps of various types, sizes, and colors, but in Igbo land, red cap is reserved for certain categories of people. In this special report, ABS went round various towns in Anambra State to ascertain the significant role red cap plays in Igbo society. Correspondent Abuja Mozo filed the reports.
Speaking to the ABS at his country home, Nri, in Anocha local government area, a community leader and a director in the Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, Chief Arthur Mbuba, who described various sizes of red caps as it concerns titles, maintained that wearing a red cap in Igbo land commands respect and dignity, adding that red cap in Igbo land signifies purity, light, and wisdom, which those that wear it must represent. Chief Mbuba, who is a member of the Nzenozo Society in Nri, called on Ohaneze Igbo and cultural proponents in Igbo land to synergize and work towards restoring the dignity of red cap to avoid its bastardization.
Adjudication of issues and the selection of red cap, it also signifies light because it is red. It also signifies life. So it is not just you are wearing cap for wearing sake, but we are bearing the cross of your people.
Contributing, an industrialist and a community leader in Isuofia Agwata local government area, Dr. Godwin Okafor, who described wearing red cap as mark of being responsible and cautioned people who are not qualified to wear it against doing such. Dr. Okafor, who described it as a taboo for non-chieftaincy title holder to put on red cap, disclosed that titled men in his Isuofia community that violates rules guiding their title will be sanctioned.
Red cap is not just anybody that can go to the market and buy red cap. For instance, in our own town in Sofia, you put a red cap and want to be a chief. When you want to be a chief and you were putting red cap before, they will find you.